transmission temp went up. Went from a 205 to a 210. Oh, dude, look at that, boy. Woo! Woo! Golly! Look at that motherfucker, right? God, I love trucking, man. And this is just Georgia. Imagine if I got out there like the West Coast and shit. I've been tripping out. Look at that. Yeah, see, it was all foggy last time I came